speaking against that is it bad for a woman to propose or ask a man out. Like my partner or my co-colleague has rightly said that first of all, marriage is honorable. That's what the Bible said. Marriage is honorable. And I define marriage. Okay. Thank you very much. Alright, and I define marriage as a union between two matured individuals that are transformed and empowered for the purpose of an enjoyable life. So, I believe that we live in a world where men are given only the opportunity to choose what they want. The women are sidelined. Like my pastor has said, you can have a lady that has 3 options of proposal and she doesn't like any one of them. One of the most important factors of an enjoyable marriage is strong connection. And that strong connection can exist and it can come naturally. What if a lady has a strong connection for a man which happens to be a friend? Does it allow her to go to ask the man out? Yes, because we live in a world of variety. And for a man that is thinking about you, he's also thinking about many other ladies also. But if you open up, you are giving him the chance to think about you over many other ladies.
Nice.
One of the things that, here is the balance. Thank you very much. Here is the balance. The balance says that as a woman, you must be mature and you must put up standards while you are still allowed the man to pursue you after you have asked him out on a date, or you have even given him that opportunity to propose to you. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I want you to understand these things, that we live in a world of varieties. There are many varieties. You are not the only one that is there. But when a woman is given that opportunity to choose, at least she can go for what she wanted. She can go for where that can. And one of the things that transcend through the generations of time and seasons and communication is the lifeblood of love. So if you have strong connection with somebody, you will be able to communicate with that person for a very long time. And there are some, my partner says something about that. When a woman asks her, you don't know whether the woman, no. There are some men that you walk to and you already know the purpose they are on, and you know that you are fit for that kind of journey and destiny. Yeah. Still yet you can still move ahead and show all the signs of difference so that you can draw the attention of the man, because you know that you fit. There are some men that can even come to ask you, but you know that I can't help you. Because the Bible says in the book of Genesis chapter 2, and he said, I will make you an helpmate son. And the Bible says God brought the woman to the man. So the man saw the woman that God brought. So God did not keep the woman where it is not visible to the man. So if you know, and I'm speaking to everybody here, if you know that you have somebody somewhere that you're interested in, there is nothing bad in trying.
Yes, sir.
And there is nothing bad in showing all the signs. But the major thing that is the fact that we live in a world where people deal with relationship without understanding. And we deal with relationship from a base of assumption. Assumption is the lowest level of understanding. We always assume traditionally that the man should be the one to chase, or the man should be the first to speak up. But anybody can speak up at first, but still allow the man to chase you. Still allow the man to run on. If the connection is mutual, the man will definitely chase that person, irrespective that you are the one who spoke first. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So I support the motion. I am against the motion that it's not bad. It's not bad for a woman to open up and thank you very much. But one of the things as a counselor, I have come to realize that most women are the most supportive gender in marriage. Even most of those marriages are the ones that are orchestrated by their men. Do you understand? So one thing that I come to understand is the fact that marriage is between two mature people that has the capacity to take responsibility for the decision that they are making. So what if that you don't like the man? It will be very difficult for you to commit to the responsibility of the house. But if it is somebody that you have strong connection with and you move towards the man, it shows that you have confidence in yourself and you can take responsibility for your actions. Though A man might be surprised by you coming at first, but there are strategies and structures that you can put in place, and everything's still going to be wise. It's still going to be right. But the thing that we have in our world is the fact that we always shy away from the truth. We always shy away from the norms, from the reality. But one